Life is tough. We all have dreams. We imagine a future where we achieve our goals. The path is never easy. Obstacles and setbacks are inevitable. It's easy to feel discouraged. It's easy to give up. But what separates those who succeed from those who don't? It's not just talent or luck. It's the unwavering belief in oneself. It's the courage to keep going, even when things get tough. It's about resilience. This is the story of a young artist named Maya. She dreamed of sharing her art with the world. Her journey was filled with challenges, but her spirit remained unbreakable. Maya loved to draw. Since childhood, art was her escape. She poured her emotions onto her canvases. She dreamed of becoming a recognized artist. However, life had other plans. Maya faced financial hardship. She had to work multiple jobs. She juggled her responsibilities with her passion. Finding time for art was a luxury she could hardly afford. Rejection piled on. Galleries turned down her work. Competitions led to disappointment. Doubt crept in. Was she good enough? Should she give up? One day Maya stumbled upon an open mic night for artists. She was hesitant. What if people hated her work? But something inside her urged her to share her art. She decided to take a leap of faith. She presented her most vulnerable work, a series of paintings reflecting her struggles. The response was overwhelming. People connected with her honesty. They resonated with her story. This experience was a turning point. Maya realized that vulnerability wasn't weakness. It was her strength. It allowed her to connect with people on a deeper level. From that day forward, Maya's art became an expression of her authentic self. She continued to create, pouring her heart and soul into every piece. She embraced rejection as a stepping stone. She learned from every critique. Slowly but surely, recognition came. Galleries offered her exhibitions. Her work started gaining traction online. People were drawn to the raw emotion and honesty in her art. Maya's story teaches us the power of perseverance. It highlights the importance of believing in oneself, even when the odds are stacked against us. Success is not a straight line. It's about embracing the ups and downs, learning from failures, and never giving up on our dreams.